here we have our XTLASER machine, welding machine. Okay, we're really happy to have the machine in here. We've been using it a lot, and for now, Cesar is going to do a demonstration. Okay. A bit of the machine.
Yes, please.
So we have the dart in here, also a rotator in there. Okay. You can use different materials, for example, steel machine, inox, stainless materials. We've been working. You can check it in here. We've got plenty of these ones that have to be welded. Okay. And now I don't know, Cesar, do you want to weld some of them? Just soldar algunas. So, I'm gonna make a demonstration of how fast and good it welds. Oh, it's really clean, and also it's really strong. We've made different tests, and it always works perfectly. So that's it.